I can see how you're feeling. Your face is unappealing. Your facade is slowly peeling away. You try to live this life with a hurricane inside. It won't ever, ever go away. The only thing that you can do is put all that tempest away. It ain't worth all the drama, you know. Let the